Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Overwatch 2 crashing mid-game on PC. To start, go to this PC and open your local disk C. Select Windows, then open Containers. Find this file to delete it. You can also search it in the Searching tab. After that, right-click on your desktop to open Intel Graphics Settings. Then, search for Graphics Settings from the taskbar. Click to open it. Now, open Desktop Apps. Then browse files to locate Overwatch 2. To show you, I'm doing this for BlueStack. After that, add it. Now go to Options and set High Performance. Then go to your search bar and search Settings. Click to open it. Now go to Gaming. From here, turn on the game mode. Go to your search bar and find Task Manager. Follow the same steps for Overwatch 2. Right-click on the app and then go to Details. After that, set Priority to High. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.